In the series of Unity tutorials, today we will learn how to create a simple 3D environment, add some physics to it, add some colors, and write basic script and start Unity Hub. And it is opening. Yeah. So here is my Unity Hub, right? So I will be starting a new project. Now this new project, as I said, we will be learning a script through 3D. I will call it. So I will go to 3D Go. Let's change the name and say Learn Unity 3D with YoLabs. Q1. Okay. Let's start. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. In my case, generally it happens a bit faster. Yeah. So this is Unity editor will keep asking you new versions, but they are so frequent. It has become like Adobe. So the good idea is just ignore it till you are not getting something significantly better version. Now, here I have a camera, I have light, I have X, Y, Z points, right? By which I can change. It's very similar pan and tilt, where either you are working in Blender, you are working in Fusion, you are working any 3D environment, more or less things are very similar, right? For us, the important thing is having one scene and one game window. Now, to make it common, what I'll do from default, I will go to 2x3. And the moment I will go to 2x3, I'll have window 1 and window 2. Always look here. Now the top window is screen window and the bottom window is game window. So that means at the bottom, I will get the final thing. And at the top scene, I can set my scene. I can create the things, right? So the very first thing what I will do, I want to add a plane. So I will go here. I have to add 3D. So 3D object and a plane. Now you see the plane has been added. Now let's make the plane a little bit bigger, which I don't think will take much time. So I have a bigger plane now, right? After having the bigger plane, always again look here. This is my scene where I am looking. This is my camera is looking at the scene right now, right? So see, here is my camera. So for sure, it is looking in this direction and it's seeing more or less white thingy there. Later on, I will tell you how to set the camera and all. After that, let's quickly create here a 3D object, a sphere. So I'm having a sphere now. Let's say this is sphere, rename now only and give it a new name, say ball. So let's call it red ball. Still, it is not red, but we are calling it red because we will be giving it a red color. Now I'll click on this. I'll go to move and I'll pick it up and the ball is there. Now, if I go into the play mode, first, can I see the ball in my play mode? I'm not sure I can see or not. Let's play and check. So how you play and check? On top, there is a play button. Just play the thing and see what happens. Right? Nothing has happened. So I don't know even something is happening or not. Right? So what we will do, I will do a small change. The change is I will go here, add component. I will go to physics and I will add a rigid body. The moment I add the rigid body, you will see here, I got mass, I got a drag, I got an angular drag, I got a gravity, right? Because I got gravity here, and if I just click on this, you will see the ball is falling down, but it got stuck up there only. Just tilt the plane a little bit and see what happens, right? But now the moment I tilt the plane, look my what is my game thing? There it looks completely different. I'm not able to see the plane. So what I will do, now I will go here. I will click on the main camera. On top, I will go to game object and see align with view. The moment I do this, my scene exactly start looking same in my game, which is preferred at least in the development stage, where I know like what I'm doing is exactly working or not. See, now because due to gravity, the ball is falling down, right? Now what I want to add a color and a bounce. So what I will do, I will go to the assets. Assets, look here. If you are in a different view, it will be somewhere else. But if you are having assets here, right click. After right clicking in the assets, just go to create and go and create a material. The moment you create the material here, it will be showing you one albedo. So the moment you are having albedo, you can go and click here, whatever color or really you want. Let's say because we said red ball, so we will be creating a red ball here. So this red material has been created. Now look here on this red ball, right? I'll be clicking twice, so red ball becomes big. I will drag and put it there, and I got all these material properties. Now, for example, if let's say I wanted to make it full metallic, I could have increased this, and it becomes more and more metallic. The same way, if I want to increase the smoothness, I can make it super smooth. Now it's, look here, how shiny it is. I can, right? I can change so many other things also. I can put emissions. Generally, when you put emissions, what happens? It start emitting the color, right? And then now the ball is rolling down. Now, only one thing what I want to change, which is, right? Now, the another thing what I want to change, making some bouncy things. So this time I will go, again, I will go to the create, but this time rather than creating normal material, I will create physics material, right? And when I create physics material, it gives me dynamic friction, static friction, bounciness. Again, what we will do, bounciness, we will put one here because our whole idea is to check the effect. And now what I will do, I will click on the red ball. I will go down where add component is there, and I will drag and and I'll drag and put this physics there. Now let's see if everything is fine, our ball should bounce. Oh, and it bounced. And suddenly we are having very realistic things. So this is a simple dimple level of physics. Now let's say quickly I want to do some changes. Means I want multiple balls. Till now we were going very slow. Now here I'll quickly go. I will duplicate. Then again I will duplicate. And sorry, always you should be in this game off mode. So I will do the same thing again, duplicate, then again duplicate, then again duplicate. And after duplicating so much, I'll go to the motion part and I can put these balls at a different locations, right? So I think this is sufficient for me. And let's see if I have, how many I've created, 5. So all 5 balls are there. Now quickly what I will do, let's say I want to put the different color. What I have to do quickly, I will go here. I will go and create, I have to create different materials, right? So let's create a different material. And this second material, let's make it plastic and make it really rough and make it a blue color thingy. And when this blue color thing is there, let's call this thing rename and call it dull blue ball and dull blue ball. Now let's say click on double block on dull blue ball and put here. See the difference. Now let's play it again and see, right? Now same way, quickly what we can do, we can put other colors also. And now quickly I will go here. I will be create, add material. You can do like this, right? And keep adding the material. Now the third one, let's say this is the new one. What we said, we want to create a green one. Go here, select something greenish, go here and pick this. Same way, create, add another material. Let's say this fourth one should be black. Go here. This is looks like black. Let's add this thing as the black. And now last one, create one more material, and this material is what it should be, yellow. So I think this is the yellowish tinge, and let's pick, it's not yellow, but yeah, I don't know. That is the only one yellow I'm getting. If somebody knows the RGB values, that will be better. I think R and green. So let's put this thing 0. I think we will get more. And this thing put 255. And this thing put 255. And now we got something yellow, right? Now yellow ball, double click on the ball, make it yellow, double click on the black ball, make it black, double click on the green ball, make it green. Now remember that the way you have given the name, it make things very easy for you in future to work, right? And now these are the balls which are moving. If I would change the physics little bit of the balls, if I add some other things in their physical properties and all the things, believe me, they start behaving in a bit different way. But now I may not be happy that why my plane is looking so plain. So let's create one more material here. And this has no other reason. That's for the sake of thing I'm creating. Later on, we will teach you how you can let's take this thing as a color, right? And when this thing as a color, let's put it here. And sorry, now and now run, and let's see how it is working, right? So that's all about this tutorial. Now in the next one, what we will do, we will add some very simple coding, and then we will see how they will affect each and individual scripts, right? Yeah. So that's all. I'll stop it here.